The Magic Book. One rainy afternoon, I was bored. I looked at my bookshelf. There was a book I had never seen before. It was old, big, and red. The title said, Magic for Kids. I opened the book. It was full of pictures, stars, and strange words. Suddenly, the pages started to glow. A soft voice said, "Read a word and something will happen." I smiled and said the first word out loud. Flotamus! My pencil flew into the air. I said another word. Brightalux! The room lit up with rainbow colors. I laughed. This book is magic. I tried one more word. Quietium. Everything went silent, even the rain outside. Then the book closed by itself. The voice said, "One day, you'll be ready for more." I put it back on the shelf. Now every time I walk by, I wonder, should I open it again?
Now, let's check your understanding with a few questions. Question 1. What color was the magic book? A. Blue. B. Red. C. Green. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What happened when the child said flotamus? A. The pencil flew. B. The book disappeared. C. The lights turned off. The correct answer is A. Question 3. What did the book do at the end? A. It stayed open. B. It closed by itself. C. It changed color. Correct answer is B. And that was the story of the magic book. Do you think books can be magical? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this story, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun English stories, and check out our English Stories with Questions playlist linked below. See you in the next adventure.